Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to Food with Dev. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing another Vietnamese crab recipe, but with a sweet, sour, and savory twist. As the title says, this is crabs in a tamarind sauce or Cua Rang Me. Here are all the ingredients that you'll need. You can use any crab that's accessible in your area. For this video, I'm using a 3-pound Dungeness crab. You'll need 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 cup of tapioca flour, 120 grams of tamarind, or 1/3 of this package, some cilantro for garnish, 2 shallots to be minced, 4 cloves of garlic also minced, about 10 grams of minced ginger, 1/4 cup of fish sauce, 1½ cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of natural mushroom seasoning, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. With all the ingredients ready, the first step is to prep the crabs. Start by breaking the crabs into pieces. Next, we're going to add a small amount of ingredients on the screen. You'll want to save the rest for the upcoming steps. Add in 1 teaspoon of minced shallots, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 1 teaspoon of natural mushroom seasoning, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Mix it around so the sauce can soak into the crab meat. Next, crack the egg into a bowl and beat it. Then dip each crab piece into the egg. We do this because the egg is sticky and it helps retain the batter on the shell. For the bowl with batter, I added the 1 cup of cornstarch and the 1 cup of tapioca flour. Moving on to step 2, which is making the tamarind sauce. In a small pot, add in 1 cup of water and the 120 grams of tamarind. In a bit, the tamarind will melt and stir until you get a thick liquid consistency. Then add in the rest of the fish sauce, the natural mushroom seasoning, the sugar, the sriracha, and lastly the ketchup to finish off the sauce. Step 3 is to deep fry the crabs. On high heat, add in about 2 cups of cooking oil. Once hot, add in the crab pieces. Try not to touch them once frying so the batter does not fall off. Flip them after about 2 minutes. Crabs cook pretty quickly, so it should be done in about 3 minutes. The last step is to stir fry the crabs. For this step, I'm using the same wok after cleaning it. I added in about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil on high heat. Once hot, add in all of the minced garlic, shallots, and ginger. Stir it around until it has a nice golden browning to it. Then add in the tamarind sauce we made in step 2. The last thing to do is to add in the crabs and mix it around. And that's how you make Vietnamese Tamarind Crab. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and leave a comment on which Vietnamese dish you would like me to cook next. Have a great day. Now it's your turn to get cooking.